VRC is a section in CAT in which it is very difficult to ramp up your scores, especially because either you're inherently weak in English or you're inherently strong. Now, that could be because of your schooling, your reading habits, and all of those things over the last few years. But the bottom line is that if VRC is creating trouble for you in your CAT mocks, you need to do something about it very soon, whether you're starting your prep right now or you have been prepping for a long time and you've not been doing well. My dear friends, this video is intended to give you 3 most important, most essential, some would say even fundamental tips without which you can never, and I'm using a word like never in a section for VRC, you can never really do really well in VRC. These are those 3 tips. You need to watch this video. Also, at the end, I'll give you a bonus tip which is going to really systemize this process for you. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I'm the founder of Creatum, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. The point of making this entire video is because in my one-to-one calls which I do with students, which students book, and they ask me about my CAT prep and what should I do and all of those things, I could see a recurring theme, especially for VARC, that there is a fundamental problem in how you practice for VARC, how you attempt the section, and what are some of the problems and misconceptions. So मैंने कहा ठीक है, while students come, they pay me, they do those calls with me, I need to bring out almost like a guideline for everyone else out there who's watching me, so that you know what are some of the important things. तुम्हारा थोड़ा improvement हो जाए इसी से. I think it's going to be great for me. Now the first tip, I'll get down to the first tip. What is the first tip? And this is a very fundamental mindset changing tip. If you don't know this will give you a very big aha, and suddenly implementing this first tip in itself is going to really change your fate. Now I'll tell you what. The first tip is that, my dear friends, you need to remind yourself, or if you don't know, you need to tell yourself that VARC as a section is an attempt game. The more you attempt, the higher your chances are of scoring higher in VARC. Now, to some people, this might sound very counterintuitive, and some who have been following me and who have been speaking to me, they know that yes, this makes sense, and their scores have improved. Now, why do I say, and why do most people understand it like this, that VRC is an attempt game? अब तुम्हें भी समझना पड़ेगा. देखो, सीधी सी चीज है. You would agree with this completely, that in VRC, accuracy is inconsistent and unpredictable. If you agree with this, let me know in the comments that yes, my accuracy in VARC is inconsistent. Now you will know that only if you've been tracking your mock scores in that fashion. अगर तुम analysis कर पा रहे हो अच्छा, तभी तुम्हें ये होगा आइडिया. इसके लिए I have the bonus tip, so stick up till the end. VARC में accuracy inconsistent क्यों होती है? Because in VARC very often we find that यार हम conclusively किसी option को as a correct answer नहीं select कर पा रहे. Often it happens in VARC that even while marking one of the options as the answer, we are often confused between two options कि यार B भी हो सकता है और C भी हो सकता है. This is very unlike a DILR, very much unlike a quant, wherein if you have calculated, if you've solved, even if you've used approximations, there is a definite answer that you know कि हाँ ये तो आंसर है ही नहीं और यही आंसर है. VARC में because of that lack of feeling that yes, that this is the conclusive answer, often what happens is that accuracy goes for a toss. It could be that in one mock your accuracy was a great 90-95%, in the other mock your accuracy was 50, कि आपने जितने भी सवाल करे आधे ही हुए सही. तो इसलिए भी फ्लक्चुएट होता है. In such a scenario, when your accuracy is not something which you can work on, because अब अगर वो accurate है ही नहीं, अब आप इसमें अपनी accuracy पे बहुत जल्दी वर्क कर नहीं पाएंगे. जो चीज जिस पे आप ज्यादा जल्दी अब इफेक्टिवली काम कर पाएंगे वो है आपकी स्पीड. Improve your speed, and for that I will get to the tip number 2. The point which I am trying to make, my dear friends, is very clear. VRC has 24 questions. कितने सवाल होते हैं VRC में? 24 होते हैं? Okay. You have to attempt all questions. Or at least you have to have the aim for attempting all questions. You know, I've been giving this advice for the last 3 years. So many students have come back to me. They have tagged me in their LinkedIn post and said that, you know, we are going to IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta, IIM Udaipur, and we are very happy and thank you, sir. And they come back to me and say to me, VRC was a problem. You helped it. This was the thing. Please follow this. I am saying aim for 20, all questions attempted in VARC. In one of my previous videos on VRC, I had said this and somebody said, आपके काका ने भी कभी 24 सवाल करे होंगे VRC में. भाई सीधी सी बात है, आप कर पाओ या चाहे नहीं कर पाओ, एम तो आपको उतना ही करके चलना है. Which means what? That the time clarity which you need to have, which is what my next point is, that means that you need to have time clarity. That okay, मेरे पास जो सेक्शन में समय होता है उसको मैं डिवाइड करूंगा कैसे. 40 मिनट VRC के मुझे डिवाइड करने हैं कैसे. अगर मैं ये एम करके चलूंगा ही नहीं कि मुझे 24 सवाल करने हैं, मैं अपना टाइम क्लैरिटी को डिवाइड कर पाऊंगा ही नहीं, एंड तब मैं वो 18, 19, 20 सवाल भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. कोई बात नहीं, if you can't do all questions, reach a point wherein can you do at least 19 questions, 20 questions, reach there, but aim for most. This is not the advice which I would give you for a QA. For a QA, I would say, in fact, if you've seen my videos on QA, I say it's okay, spend the first 2 minutes of your section of QA to just go through all the questions and identify what are your round 1 questions and your round 2 questions. 2 मिनट 3 मिनट लगा दो करने में, और तब चूज कर लो कि ठीक है ये 8 सवाल अभी करूंगा, फिर ये करूंगा 6, और फिर ये 2, something of that kind. In DILR, again, it is a selection game. You'll be watching a video on DILR. Let me know if you want a similar video on DILR. I've made a similar video on quant, and in DILR you would see, I'd say that it's a set selection game. I would never say aim for all. It's not like that, but this is that, which means you need time clarity, which brings me to the point number 2. अब ये time clarity क्या है? The tip number 2, my dear friends, is very clear. So I hope that the takeaway from tip number 1 is clear to you. You have to attempt all. You have to aim to attempt all. You have to increase your attempt like crazy. That's that. Which means what? That for you to actually be able to do that, for you to be able to solve all the questions or most of the questions in that, you need to practice in a time-bound manner. And I have 3 things for that. But before this, I will give you a very quick story. Now, a lot of times it happened with me that when students used to speak to me with their queries on my free Telegram group, or also when they book their one-to-ones with me, they have this one simple thing that, sir, we are practicing 5 RCs every day, 6 RCs, 8 RCs every day. And this happened to me recently as well. And I said that, why are you practicing 8 or 10 RCs each day? What's the point? And I'll tell you why I'm saying that it is too much probably if you're studying 8 or 10 RCs each day. I'll tell you why. Because see, understand this. You need to understand that, do you have time clarity about your VRC section or not? You need to understand this very carefully. Hello. You need to observe this particular point very carefully, because this will explain point number 1 and will set the tone for the tip number 3 also after this. See, time clarity क्या है? VRC के section में total समय कितना है? 40 मिनट है. After which you'll go to DILR, which means what? You have 8 questions of VA, verbal ability, which includes para jumbles, para assembly, para completion, odd sentence usually. ठीक है? What you have to keep in mind is that for these 8 questions, I have to keep at least 10 minutes with me. If I'm not keeping at least 10 minutes, I will not be able to do justice to these 8 questions. अब ये 10 minutes आपको लगेगा कम है. अरे इसमें से 2-3 सवाल तो वो भी होते हैं, which is the non-MCQ, which means अगर वो गलत भी हो गए तो स्कोर कम नहीं होगा. तो उस हिसाब से, but at least 10 minutes है. अगर आप अपनी RCs में स्पीड इंक्रीज कर लें तो आप इसमें ज्यादा भी सेव कर सकते हैं. You can save more time for you to complete your VRs, for you to complete your VA. But now the point is that when you're doing RCs, which is 16 questions, my dear friends, you know that you have maximum 30 minutes, which means what? Which means that you have almost 7.5 minutes per RC, which means what? That you will spend around 2.5 to 3 minutes reading the RC and around 4.5 to 5 minutes answering the 4 questions in that. It's a mix, but broadly, the broad structure you need to have in your mind is that क्या मैं 7-7.5 मिनट से ज़्यादा तो नहीं लगा रहा हूँ किसी RC में, which brings me back to the point कि भैया जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, that practice in time bound manner is that कि when the end objective is this, that you need to solve an RC in 7 to 7.5 minutes. Are you practicing as per that? I started off with an example that students, they come to me and say that, you know what, I've been practicing 7 RCs or 10 RCs or 15 RCs in a day because I'm really weak in VRC. क्या करूँ सर, मैं तो रोज कर रहा हूँ मतलब 10-15 RC. Then I tell them that wait a minute, Usain Bolt runs a 100-meter sprint and someone else runs a good full 42-kilometer marathon. Usain Bolt will find it very difficult to run in a 42-kilometer or a 21-kilometer marathon. Why? Because Usain Bolt optimizes his entire training and prep to win that 100-meter. Because Usain Bolt requires explosive strength, explosive sort of energy. Which means what? That whatever game you want to win, all your training, your practice would be to simulate that game and to improve in that. Which means what? That अगर तुम एक दिन में 10 RC करते हो and you spend some 3 hours or 4 hours in doing that RC, what's the point? you need to optimize for the game, which means that solve only 4 RCs per day, but then give yourselves that time that okay, 1 RC 7.5 minutes I have to solve, which means I will solve 4 RCs in half an hour. Do sprints, because that is what you have to do in the exam. You have hardly any days left in for you to go to your CAT exam. That's that, which means that the second point is very clear. I had already implied it when I was explaining you the time clarity, but I have to state that again, which means that you have to start off with your RCs and then get to VA. Some students also say that, you know, so should I start off with VA questions or should I start off with RCs? And I've seen a lot of very good faculty also come out and say that, you know, it depends. You could start off with VA also, you could start off with RCs. To my mind, if I am an educator, it is my responsibility to give you prescriptions where you need prescriptions. जहां तुम्हें एक solid guideline की जरूरत है, वहां पे मेरा काम है तुम्हें गाइडलाइन देना. और जहां पे नहीं है, जहां पे I can say that ठीक है, if this works for you, you can do it, then that's a separate story. If VRC is not working out for you, my dear friend, my very strict advice to you is to please start doing RCs first and get to VA, because RCs are more important. Why they are more important? They give you more ROI. One passage you read, you can answer 4 questions from that. Go for things which have more high ROI. Some people say, but sir VA तो जल्दी हो जाएगा ना. सर जल्दी का फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज अगर आपने VA में 10 मिनट से ज्यादा 12-13 मिनट लगा दिया और फिर आप RCs पे आओगे, RCs खत्म नहीं होंगी. And RCs form the bigger chunk. 70% of the questions, as you know, 16 out of 24 is RCs, which my dear friends means that needs to be a sequence. And also then that means ये जो मैंने तुम्हें हिदायत दी है कि practice in a time bound fashion, how should you practice it? Now if you're starting off, again hold on, if you're starting off, अभी अगर तुमने अभी प्रेप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो या फिर अगर बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हो और मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, बहुत VRC में स्लो हो, फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 week आई एम सेइंग टेक 15 minutes per RC and target yourself that okay, every day in one sprint I will solve 3 RCs and I'll give myself 15 minutes per RC. अगर बहुत वीक हो, वरना इसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. ये जो मैंने फर्स्ट वीक 1 लिखा है, इसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. ये तब सेंस बनता है कि या तो मैंने अभी जस्ट प्रेप स्टार्ट करी है, या फिर आई एम वेरी वीक. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग do only 3 RCs in a day. You can do 6 RCs, you can do 9 RCs, but then do it in sprints. That in one sprint I'll do 3 RCs. Then week 2, as you will gradually improve, reduce your speeds to 10 minutes per RC, which means 4 RCs in 40 you will do it. And again, I am not saying each day only do 4 RCs. अगर समय ज़्यादा है, if you want to do more, then do 8 RCs, but do it in sprints. That's that. And then your goal eventually is to be able to do 4 RCs in 28 minutes, which is approximately 7 minutes. This is the goal you need to reach. अब ये इस वीडियो का काम सफल हो जाएगा अगर तुम ये टाइम बाउंड मैनर अप्रोच को जहन में बिठा लोगे और इसके तहत अपनी VRC की प्रिपरेशन कर जाओगे. That's it. I don't intend to have very big goals from this thing. Again, as I said in one of my last ones, I don't care if 100 people watch it, 1000 people watch it, or 1 lakh people watch it. I don't care. If 2 of you can watch it, if you and your friend can watch it and can implement it, and अगले साल आके you can come back to me and tell me that this was the video I watched or this was the advice that works for me. That's that. If you're liking this video till now, because now I'm going to the tip number 3 and the bonus tip. If you're liking this video, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Why? Because my next video is going to be DILR. I will make that. Subsequent videos are going to be on mock analysis. It is a highly requested video because I've spoken so much about mock analysis that becomes a very crucial video to bring out. Moving on to tip number 3 very clearly, very carefully. Tip number 3 is also something very interesting, and that is that you need to follow certain smart techniques. Usually people think sir ये जुगाड़ और स्मार्ट टिक्स और ट्रिप्स तो सिर्फ DILR और क्वांट में ही होते हैं, VRC में तो भाई पढ़ना ही है. नहीं, इसके लिए भी मैं बता देता हूं आपको. there are 4 or 5 or in fact more than this tips and tricks which I have spoken in one of my previous VRC videos. If you want, I will put a link to that in my description as well. Watch that video because in that video, and I will not be speaking about all of those things in this because उसमें मैंने बहुत elaborate manner में हर टिप को all of these strategies I have explained with examples. I have shown an RC, I have given you कि देखो ये RC है, ऐसे पढ़ोगे इसको, ये तो ये वहां पे. बट इसमें I am just capturing it that there is skimming. How do you do skimming? I have shown you in that video. Watch it. Then skip examples if the main idea is clear. बहुत बार एक RC के अंदर क्या क्या है, मतलब वो ये होता है that they have said something and then they say for example this. How do you read fast? अगर वो मेन आइडिया आपको समझ आ गया है तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस को आप स्किप कर सकते हो. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज और वेट अ मिनट, और इफ सपोज यू आर सेइंग दैट नो सर मुझे वो मेन आइडिया समझ नहीं आया, देन यू यूज द एग्जाम्पल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मेन आइडिया. अगेन दिस इज अ concept which you can learn from me. There is a video on it already. Watch that. If you want to speak to me one on one, then book a call with me on my Topmate link, the link of which is in the description. Extremely important, that is that. Then I have also shown in that video that when there are difficult words which you cannot read, usko substitute karo with simpler words, because those words in itself might not make any problem. I am talking about proper nouns, names and all. अगर कुछ pronounce नहीं कर पाते हो, for example some names in Russia or Germany are very, that they are not spoken very simply. You can do all of that and then focus on understanding the intent of the passage. I have brought these 4 points here, but you can actually learn them in a separate video which I have made. I have linked to that. Now I'll move to the bonus tip, the last tip, and it is extremely important that you keep all of these things in mind. The bonus tip is a game changer tip. Please follow that. ये fourth tip है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि important नहीं है. Bonus tip is what? That, my dear friends, please daily log your activities. What happens is that we procrastinate. We sit on the laptop or on our table and we don't know what we intend to do. When you're starting off a session, write it down somewhere. The next 1 hour, I'll be solving 4 RCs and 10 VA questions, something of that kind. Write it down. And once that hour is over, come back and tick it. That is what my first 2 points are. Okay. The third point is that track your mock scores. Every mock score you need to track. What was my score? What was my percentile? How many I attempted in VARC? How many I got correct, and then calculate the accuracy. तो ये जो भी मैंने अभी तुम्हें कहा है, ये तुम्हें खुद डेटा तुम्हारे सामने आ जाएगा कि VRC में तो accuracy consistent है ही नहीं, बशर्ते तुम weak हो. Again, all of this is talking, I am talking to the students who are weak, and all of these things which I have said, they help develop discipline and self-awareness. My dear friends, if you're serious to crack CAT this year, these 3 tips are unmissable no matter who says what. Even if you're somebody who's been scoring well, you need to follow this. One more thing I'd like to add. If you're a serious aspirant who plans to get into a good B school in this year, there is a pre-MBA course which you should start from right now. It's called How to B School. It is available on my website. Now, why is that course important? Is that because there's a course inside that which is called MBA Specialization Selector. You need to watch that course. That will give you clarity on what specialization you need to select. Finance, marketing, sales, operations, HR, analytics. क्या अब ये क्यों जरूरी है? ये जरूरी इसलिए है ताकि आप अभी से अपनी थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग करना शुरू कर दीजिए. बिकॉज जब तक आप बी स्कूल में जाएंगे या फिर फॉरगेट इवन बी स्कूल, व्हेन यू विल गो टू योर एमबीए एडमिशन इंटरव्यूज एंड दे विल आस्क यू व्हाट डू यू इंटेंड टू डू आफ्टर एमबीए, व्हाट विल यू टेल देम, एंड देन यू आल्सो नीड टू शेयर सर्टेन एग्जांपल्स व्हिच एक्चुअली substantiate that yes, what you're saying that I want to do this field or I want to be in this field or that company. You have examples, you can only build them right now. Please take that course. It will help you, because then I know the amount of headache and stress you get once your CAT is over. Be smart, do it fast. Also, that course, it speaks about how to do well in your academics, in your MBA, in your extra curricular activities, in your friendships and romantic relationships in MBA, all of those things. Also, there is a course on MBA concept crashes within that only, जिसमें फर्स्ट ईयर के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा दिए हैं मैंने तुम्हें ऑलरेडी स्निपेट्स में. सो दैट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू. प्लीज गेट अहेड ऑफ पीपल. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक्स अ लॉट एंड गुड बाय.